Whoa, that was like 70 yards. I like this line. Easy casting. Retrieval feels pretty good on this. Nice speed on the retrieval on this bladed jig. Let's try that again. Now I loosened it up a lot to get this kind of casting. Bend in the rod feels good. Nice handles. They're kind of like a hardened foam. Yeah, it's the same stuff as this. Yeah, see, I adjusted those brakes up, so no backlash on that. A little bit of noise in the drag. Y'all hear that? Oh yeah, see, that's better. To me, running this, I think 5 on the brakes and a little loose on this knob right here, the tension knob. So in this video, I'm gonna go over this KastKing Defender combo here. Let's just go over the rod real quick. This EVA foam backing on it has a nice kind of like casting area where you can really put some torque right there on there. And easily, I have mine in Baitcaster. This comes in spinning and Baitcaster. You can see what I'm running. There's a little American flag right there, Spartacus Defender on there. This rod is a carbon and graphite core. So it's got a good mix of carbon and graphite, and you get 2 rod tips with it. Here is the second rod tip right here. Check out how flexible that rod tip is. Now the eyelets on these things, these eyelets have a 45-degree angle on them, not like others that has a straight angle. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera, but it turns up just right there. So you can see how clean the eyelets look. And the line that I'm running on this is the KastKing Destroyer Essential, which I'm running at 8 pounds. It's low stretch, high strength, and low memory. And I really like running a mono on my like chatterbaits right here. You can see I'm using the chatterbait right there. Look at it with the line run through it. It looks really good. I really like the looks of this rod. Now the reel, so this one right here has a good braking system, 1 through 10 on the braking system. You can see I run mine in about 6 right there. I get pretty good casts on this thing. I don't see any issues with casting this over long distances. It goes so smoothly on its distances. The retrieval's a little slower than some. It's a 7:2-to-1 gear ratio. So the retrieval is not as fast as some of my other reels, but I do like that because this chatterbait is a slower retrieval. So I would say it's a medium retrieval. It's not slow, it's not high. It's a good medium retrieval on there. The spool, it goes really smooth on there. The thumb brake is nice and like wide. So the thumb brake, I've got wide thumbs and it seems to hold it very well right there. The drag on it's a little under 18 pounds, so like 17.9 or something on the drag on there. What I do like is how big the EVA foam is on this handle. So your crank handle's wide, nice little star pattern. The torque knob is easily accessible. It does have a hook keeper built in right there. You guys see that hook keeper? That's easy to access right there. See how it does. And I've been really impressed with this mono. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KastKing, Spartacus Defender. See you on the next video.